to kick in. I must release this kid within.